Kids have a unique way of seeing the world, often blending innocence with an unexpected sharpness that can turn even the simplest observation into a hilarious joke. Here are 10 jokes and puns that capture the whimsical and witty nature of children's humor. 1. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a vampire? Frostbite. 2. Why did the student eat his homework? Because the teacher told him it was a piece of cake. 3. What is a computer's favorite snack? Computer chips. 4. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 8, 9. 5. How do you catch a squirrel? Climb up a tree and act like a nut. 6. What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? A dino snore. 7. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. 8. Why don't eggs tell jokes? They'd crack each other up. 9. How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie in it. 10. Why did the golfer bring 2 pairs of pants? In case he got a hole in one.